Hi, I'm Michael. Welcome to The Wine Specialist, the new wine shopping experience. Today we're going to be tasting Vogelzang Sauvignon Blanc from Santa Barbara, California, California's central coast, down south of San Francisco. This is a beautiful bodied Sauvignon Blanc with good weight, good flavors, nice texture, very silky in style. The wine is made by Robbie Meyer. Robbie Meyer was ex-assistant winemaker at Peter Michael's, really talented. Doesn't make Sauv Blanc often. When he does, I really pay deference. He's a really talented winemaker. On the nose, I get pure peaches here, peach essence. So silky, so balanced, beautiful peaches and cream, slight pyrazine notes, green bean, asparagus, really focused, really silky. Enjoy.